kod lony mano manyasani e bero uchumi oyangi ni en gino mano maber moloyo to e wechego mago mag keto mwandu e pacho kae. Magi ne oyangi e sach nyasi kata romo mano mar African Forward mano mabende ne obagi bore Nairobi kocha odiochieng' ma kawuono. Jatend migao ma ochung' ne migao no mano mar ICT William Kabogo ne okoni keto mwandu biro kelo konyruok e midhiero mago mathoth mago mabende osebedo ka okwako pinje mago mag Afrika kanyo mabende oting'o piny Kenya.
Economic transformation is not driven by policy alone. It is also driven by business that are building products, serving customers, creating employment, and expanding into new markets.
And so we share similar challenges, but also similar vision, as President Ruto put it earlier today, that we're not deemed to look east or west, but we can look forward. But to do that, we need to work together.
The creative industries are not a luxury reserved for prosperity. They are engines of it. They create jobs, they drive tourism, they shape global perceptions of our continent, and they also seed the cultural confidence that produces the kind of founders we celebrate today.